At Summit Services, comfort isn't a feature, it's a standard. We've built our reputation in the Lowcountry by delivering dependable heating, cooling, and electrical solutions with care. From Hilton Head Island to Bluffton and Beaufort, homeowners know our name. Summit Services is built on the idea that customers deserve an exceptional experience every time. We approach every service call with preparation and professionalism. Whether it's HVAC repair, installation, or electrical work, quality craftsmanship leads the way. Our team understands that home systems should work quietly and efficiently in the background. When something goes wrong, we respond with solutions that restore comfort quickly. We combine modern technology with hands-on expertise. That balance allows us to diagnose accurately and fix problems the right way. We treat every home with respect and every customer like a neighbor. That commitment to professionalism is what sets us apart. Call us today at 843-836-2653 or visit callsummitservices.com. Summit Services, elevating comfort with skill and integrity.